Dyfodol. I appreciate the comments about the discussions that were had around the port of Holyhead, and you're quite right that there's squeezing from both sides with the increased traffic directly to the continent, but also there's the Northern Ireland link. Can you give me an assurance that you will press with UK government to not in any way allow Liverpool ports and ports on the Mersey to be given prominence over Holyhead? I remember as far back as the development of the 10T transport network, where Holyhead was seen as lower priority than the ports on the Mersey at that time. Now we're coming to a point where that really means something, and we need those assurances for the Port of Holyhead.
No, absolutely happy to give that assurance, Dyfodol. I did directly raise with the UK government, not simply ports in Pembrokeshire, but particularly the impact on Holyhead, given its significance as a port to the whole of the United Kingdom in the BIC context. And Welsh ministers lose no opportunity to make sure that we return to this issue with UK ministers whenever we have that chance, and to press them to go beyond the sort of assurances we have had up until now, which is that all this is just teething trouble, that it will all settle down, and that provided we all just keep crossing our fingers, it'll all be all right. Well, I'm afraid, as every week goes by, that view of the world becomes a little harder to sustain. And we really need to move UK ministers beyond that, to think about what actions they can take, and we are prepared to take as well, to make sure that the real advantages that there are of trading through those Welsh ports are secured for the future.